and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Every single day, Amazon pays us hundreds of dollars like this, and like this, all without paying a penny up front and only working a few minutes per day. In total, I'm making over $500 per day, but how is all this possible? Well, I do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, and I promise you, I've never seen anything like it before. I avoid the traditional methods for making money online and do things completely differently. I don't use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. In fact, all I do is use a simple 5-second AI trick, a trick that taps into a $1.29 billion Amazon Prime video streaming loophole, which in turn pays me at least $500 per day in pure profit. To make this work, all we have to do is activate a secret AI loophole on the Amazon Prime servers and watch the commissions roll in. It's as simple as copying a few Amazon links, then pasting them into our secret AI streaming platforms, and then we get paid. Everything else is done for us by our AI automated systems. The best part about this is that I can make money both on my computer, smartphone, or tablet. Thanks to this powerful, never-seen-before loophole, whenever someone streams their favorite show on Amazon Prime, I get paid. As you saw earlier, these payments rack up pretty fast, and it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $500 days with this unique Amazon Prime AI loophole. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this? Well, now's your chance to start doing the same with the brand new Gravity AI. Gravity AI is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits a $1.29 billion Amazon loophole to make us thousands of dollars in profit. When the third richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, integrated AI into the Amazon Prime video platform, he inadvertently left the door wide open. In most cases, AI makes something transformational and revolutionary, but this time round, he left behind something crucial, a gigantic loophole, a gaping hole so powerful it's like an open vault of limitless, free, and laser-targeted traffic waiting to be tapped. And the best part? Jeff and his billionaire Amazon buddies haven't noticed yet. We realized pretty quick that under the right conditions, this loophole could be used to tap into billions of daily Amazon users that are spending thousands of dollars a day on products at Amazon.com and legally skim big commissions into our accounts over and over. All my members that are tapping into this loophole are making at least $500 a day on average, completely passively with this brand new software. We don't need our own e-commerce stores, we don't need to sell any products, and we don't need to pay for ads. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1, click on any of the buy buttons on this page and get a copy of Gravity AI. You'll want to do this now as we'll be closing this down soon to prevent saturation, so be quick. Step 2, activate the AI Amazon Prime profit technology at the press of a button inside the Gravity AI app. This is where the magic happens. It taps into the $1.29 billion Amazon loophole, which is allowing us to get paid. Step 3, enjoy the power of automation. We're making hundreds of dollars every time we tap into this groundbreaking new Amazon Prime loophole. Once Gravity AI is activated, the commissions never stop rolling into our accounts. Nobody has done anything like this before. If I lost everything and had to start from complete scratch, the first thing I'd do is fire up the Gravity AI app. You can use Gravity AI from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than a minute to set up. This is free traffic and commissions on steroids thanks to Amazon. Now at this point you've seen the proof. You know how well Gravity AI works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it's the same system that's making us a minimum of $500 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. At a minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds if not thousands of people to pay this price because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it. That's a huge commitment to make, and I know it's hard for you to try out new things with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access Gravity AI, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone can afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of fast action bonuses. But this offer is only available for a limited time only. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yet that's how confident I am that Gravity AI will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court. Click the button below right now to get Gravity AI while it's still available at the early bird discount price.
What is going on, guys? It is Glenn here with a very quick launch announcement. On Thursday, we are going live on Warrior Plus with Gravity AI. Now, this is a brand new cloud-based app and system, taps into Amazon for traffic, leads, sales, and commissions, and it would be awesome to have all of you guys that are watching this video to promote this epic new launch. Now, if you need anything to promote this launch, hover over to the JV page, hit the button around this video. If you're already on the JV page, goes without saying, you're gonna find everything you need to have a successful promotion of this launch. You'll find out details about what the product is, details about the funnel, cash prizes, and all that great stuff. Email swipes, document is gonna be there as well. If you need access, contact me at any time. That could be on Facebook, Telegram, Skype, phone, whatever. Contact me to get access to this great product. And as always, reciprocation. If you are going to support us, I'm going to support you back. I do my best to send thousands, absolutely thousands of sales every single year to my JV partners, and that is going to continue in 2024. So if you can support me, I will definitely support you in the near future. So Gravity AI, I would always appreciate it if you can support us, whether that's 100 clicks or 100,000 clicks. We welcome all your clicks. We will guarantee to convert your traffic, if it's okay traffic, into sales and commissions. Just check your Warrior Plus account on Thursday to see how much money you have made. So once again, Thursday, Gravity AI. It's an app training and system and software which is related to Amazon. We believe it's going to convert like crazy. You're going to make a lot of money. All you got to do is grab your link, grab your swipes, do your promotion, do what you need to do. You know what to do, and I will see you on our leaderboard. Thanks a lot, guys.